1,000 ringgit? Only for the electric bill? Madiha, what is this? How did it even reach 1,000 ringgit? I know it's you. You're gonna pay every cent.
Ugh, what am I gonna do? But I can't even do anything about it. I wish I could turn back time. I'm so stressed.
Hey,
What?
come closer, come closer. Turn to the next page.
What was this here? Am I? Where did I get to this up? I gotta turn back time.
Madiha, what is this? How did it even reach 1,000 ringgit? I know it's you. You're gonna pay every cent. Honey, our electric bill now is so affordable.
We have to use air conditioners energy efficiently because it can help us save electricity and money. If we always leave the air conditioner on for a long time or set the temperature too low, it will use more power. This will cause our electricity bill to increase. Besides that, using the air conditioner efficiently can make it last longer. When it does not work too hard, it will not spoil easily and we do not need to spend extra money on repairs. Lastly, saving energy can help to protect the environment. When we use less electricity, less fuel is burned to produce power. This can reduce pollution and global warming. In conclusion, we must use air conditioners energy efficiently to save money, protect the environment, and make sure the air conditioner can be used for a long time.